Stop your Windows 11 laptop battery drain. Ultimate 2025 Guide. Is your Windows 11 laptop battery dying faster than your motivation on a Monday morning? Are you constantly tethered to a power outlet, feeling more like you have a desktop than a laptop? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Welcome to the Ultimate 2025 Guide on how to supercharge your Windows 11 laptop's battery life. I'm about to show you the latest, most effective tips and tricks, including some crucial accessibility tweaks that also save power, no fluff, just actionable steps, so you can stay unplugged for longer and get more done. If you're ready to reclaim your laptop's freedom, smash that like button, and let's get started. Alright, let's dive straight into the good stuff. We'll cover everything from simple settings tweaks to some slightly more advanced, but super effective, strategies. And stick around till the end, because I've got a bonus tip that a lot of people miss. Tip 1. Optimize your power mode for efficiency. First things first, Windows 11 has built-in power modes. For maximum battery saving in 2025, you'll want to be on the best power efficiency setting when you're not doing super demanding tasks. It's easy to change. Just click on the battery icon in your taskbar. Under the Power mode, select Best Power Efficiency. Boom! Instant battery savings. Tip 2. Shorten screen and sleep times. This one's a classic but still golden in 2025. Don't let your screen stay on when you're not using it. In a power and battery settings, under screen and sleep, adjust the times for on battery power, turn off my screen after, and on battery power, put my device to sleep after. Shorter times mean more saved battery. I usually go for 1 to 2 minutes for the screen and 5 to 10 minutes for sleep. Tip 3. Master Battery Saver Mode. Battery Saver Mode is your best friend when you're running low. It automatically limits background activity and notifications. You can set it to turn on automatically when your battery hits a certain percentage, say 40%. Go to Settings, System, then a Power and Battery. Expand the Energy Saver section. You can turn it on manually or set the automatic threshold. I also recommend enabling lower screen brightness when using Battery Saver. Tip 4. Tame the screen brightness and refresh rate. Your screen is one of the biggest battery hogs. So dim that brightness. You don't need it at 100% unless you're landing a plane. Adjust it using the function keys on your keyboard or in the Action Center. Also, new for many 2025 laptops, check your refresh rate. Go to Settings, then System, then Display. And click on Advanced Display. If you have options like 120 Hz or 90 Hz, dropping it down to 60 Hz when on battery can make a noticeable difference. Some newer laptops even support a dynamic refresh rate, which automatically adjusts based on what you're doing. If your laptop supports it, turn this feature on for the best balance of smoothness and battery life. However, if your laptop doesn't support DRR, simply setting it to 60 Hz manually when on battery is your best bet. Every little bit helps. Tip 5. Optimize video playback for battery. If you watch a lot of videos on battery, this is key for 2025. Go to Settings, then Apps, then the Video Playback. Under the Battery options, select Optimize for battery life. You can also tick the box for Play video at a lower resolution when on battery for extra savings. Tip 6. Conquer background apps. Those sneaky background apps can drain your battery without you even realizing it. In 2025, Windows 11 gives you good control over this. Go to Settings, then Apps, then our installed apps. Click the 3 dots next to an app you don't need running constantly, select Advanced Options, and under Background App Permissions, choose a Never. Tip 7. Turn off transparency effects and disable animation effects. Windows 11 has some nice visual touches like transparency effects for Windows and the taskbar. While they look cool, they do use a bit of extra processing power, which means more battery drain. To turn them off, go to Settings, then Accessibility, and click on Visual Effects. Find the toggle for transparency effects and turn it off. Similar to transparency, Windows 11 uses various animation effects when you open, close, minimize, or maximize windows. These make the interface feel smoother but also consume battery. You can disable these for a snappier feel and better battery life. Turn off the toggle for animation effects. You might be surprised how much this can help, especially on older or less powerful laptops. Tip 8. Disable unnecessary startup apps. Too many apps launching at startup not only slows down your boot time but also eats into your battery. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab. Disable anything you don't absolutely need running as soon as your laptop starts. Be careful not to disable essential system processes or your antivirus, though. Tip 9. Keep your laptop cool and updated. Overheating makes your battery work harder and degrade faster. Ensure your laptop's vents aren't blocked. Maybe even invest in a cooling pad if you do intensive tasks often. Also, make sure Windows 11 and your drivers are up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that improve power efficiency. So, run those Windows updates regularly. That was a lot of tips, but implementing even a few of these will make a huge difference to your Windows 11 laptop's battery life in 2025. And now for that bonus tip I promised. Bonus tip: generate a battery report. Windows 11 can generate a detailed battery report that shows you its health, capacity history, and usage. This is invaluable for understanding how your battery is performing and identifying if it might be time for a replacement. To do this, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type power CFG/battery report and press Enter. It'll save an HTML file to your system. Open it up and see what's really going on with your battery. It's a fantastic diagnostic tool hidden right within Windows. So there you have it, your comprehensive 2025 guide to extending your Windows 11 laptop battery life, including those handy accessibility tweaks. If this video helped you out, please give it a massive thumbs up. It really helps the channel and tells YouTube to share this with more people who need it. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech tips, tricks, and guides designed to make your digital life easier. Thanks so much for watching. Now go enjoy that extra battery life. Until next time, stay charged and stay awesome. After completing all these tips, it's a good idea to restart your laptop to ensure all changes take full effect and optimize your battery life even further.